The hours fade, the sky turns light, yet love remains, our hearts take flight. The campfire dims, its warmth will keep, a love to cherish, wide and deep.
Under stars, our hearts align. The night a canvas, love's design. Breath of the breeze, a whispered sound. A love so deep on sacred ground. Beneath the moonlight, silver gleam. Sachin's car, our sweetest theme. Dreams untold, where hearts collide, forever ours, side by side. Hammond hums in warm embrace, echoes dancing through the space. Every note a spark of flame, two souls bound, one and the same. The stars above weave melodies that pull us close with ease. A rhythm tailored just for two, a ballad sung in skies of blue. Beneath the moonlight, silver gleam. Sachin's car, our sweetest